Hey, so if you're dealing with a Dropbox file sync conflict problem, yeah, like you see conflicted copy files or multiple versions of the same file, that can get confusing really fast. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, uh, a sync conflict happens when two devices edit the same file at the same time. I mean, Dropbox doesn't know which version to keep. Next, yeah, open the conflicted copy files and compare them. You'll usually see one marked with your device name or conflicted copy in the file name. Now, decide which version is the correct one. I mean, keep the latest or most complete file. Yeah, once you're sure, delete the extra conflicted copies. This keeps your folder clean and organized. Now, try not to edit the same file on multiple devices at the same time. That's the main cause of sync conflicts. Next, check if Dropbox is fully synced on all devices before making changes. Yeah, this prevents version overlap. Sometimes pausing and resuming sync can help Dropbox refresh file versions and fix minor conflicts. Yeah, this is a good habit. Rename files before editing so Dropbox can track versions more clearly. If conflicts keep happening, reinstall Dropbox. This resets sync settings and clears hidden issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox file sync conflicts. Most of the time, it's caused by editing the same file on multiple devices. Try these steps and your files should stay clean and organized. Thanks for watching.